Everyone, this side Vidit Kaushik and I'm working as a legal intern in Lexis and Company. Today we are going to discuss what is burden of proof and in which section of Indian Evidence Act it lies. So firstly we have to define what is burden of proof. Anyone who wants a court to rule on a legal right or responsibility based on facts he claims must first show that such facts exist. The second section of the statute specifies that when a person is required to show the existence of a fact, that a person shall also bear the burden of proof. As a result, a person seeking a favorable decision from the court must provide evidence in support of his case. So basically, Indian Evidence Act, which is defined and burden of proof is defined in the Indian Evidence Act, section 102, who bears the burden of proof. In a suit or procedure, the person who would fall if no evidence was presented on either side has the burden of proof. He has to prove himself that he doesn't commit any crime. Section 103 of the Indian Evidence Act states that the burden of proof as to any specific fact is with the person who asks the court to believe in its existence unless any law provides that the burden of proof rests with any particular individual. Section 105 of the Indian Evidence Act, when an accused is charged with criminal conduct, the burden of proof is placed on the accused to establish the certain circumstances that give rise to the accusation under any general exceptions provided under the IPC or any other particular legislation. Under the section, the prosecutions is having the duty to limit the establish the accused guilt. Once that is established, the burden transferred to the accused, who has the advantage of relying on general exceptions to the IPC or CRs.